Hello everyone, welcome again to NG Super Kitchen. I hope you all are keeping well. Today's video is on sticky lamb rib. And you will see my previous video on Singapore fried rice, and this video is the sticky lamb rib. So I'm making a sticky lamb rib packed with so many ingredients that using that flavor inside and blows the mouth, the taste, the flavor, the deliciously soaking in into that rib. So stay tuned while we cook the sticky oven baked lamb rib. Start by combining in a bowl to make the sticky glaze, honey, soy sauce, tamari sauce, garlic, gochujang hot pepper, brown sugar, your vinegar, ginger paste, fresh black pepper or dry grounded one if you can get the fresh one, and a salt to taste. Always remember to be careful with your salt because the soy sauce, the vinegar all contains salt. So once you combine all this in a bowl, you mix it well, properly until smooth. So there you can see the measurement. And before combining this, what I did with my lamb rib is that I have already washed it and set it aside. Once I combine this can be done earlier. To do this, you can do this overnight, so this can sit in the fridge till the next day, or you can prepare this within an hour also. I am going to do mine and prepare this and mix in. Once I've finished combining this, I will be pouring half of it into the lamb. And once I pour it into the lamb, I will mix it all properly together so that they could combine well, and seal it up and refrigerate it for about 2.5 hours. You don't necessarily have to sit this in the fridge for 2.5 hours overnight if you are in a haste to enjoy your sticky lamb rib. You can sit it in the fridge for an hour, but I want to leave it longer because I want those ingredients to marry in and soak in into the rib properly so that I could get that yummy, soft, juicy bite when you bite into the lamb rib when it is ready. So there you see that I am mixing it up now, after which I will refrigerate it. So you've got to mix it up properly. If you are not comfortable with mixing it this way, you can use your hand. Wash your hands or wear a protective glove to do that. So once I sit this in the fridge and almost time to take it out, I will now set my oven to about 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit, depending on the setting of your oven. And once I set this out on a baking sheet, I will pour some of the glaze on the rib again to coat it. This is done in order to avoid it from burning once it is placed into the oven. And once I place this into the oven, I'm going to continue to turn it every 8 minutes and use my baking brush, to brush all on it continuously while turning the remaining glaze until it is fully cooked for about 20 to 25 minutes, and furthermore for another 8 minutes until done. And Once this is ready, I'll take it out and serve or allow it to sit for about a minute, and you can enjoy it with any chilled drink, any food you want. And here I have decided to garnish mine. Isn't that beautiful? I served mine on top of I used the lettuce cup to serve mine, and there I have garnished it with the roasted seed. I roasted this myself, and also the remaining sauce I've served it with it because the sticky sauce is so glazed, is so delicious. It is extremely delicious. If you have more left, you could refrigerate this for another 48 hours and enjoy it. And also with your fries, the remaining one, it's all your fried yam also. So there's so much you can play around with this. You can also garnish it with spring onion, and also I've served it here with steamed carrots and a slice of red bell pepper for that juicy bite. So I hope you have enjoyed this cooking with me, and please hit the subscribe button if you have not already done so. Until next time, I love you all. Stay blessed and goodbye.